it's Megan with WTI, and when I first started to try limiting my gluten intake, one thing that I was disappointed in time and time again was gluten-free crackers. But now I found these Simple Mills rosemary and sea salt crackers, and they are not disappointing to me at all. They have that crispy, crunchy texture that I really crave in a cracker. I really enjoy the balance of the rosemary and sea salt flavor because rosemary is one of those herbs that if you have too much of it, you can feel like you're almost like eating a tree or something. But these crackers have the perfect touch of rosemary. I also find that they are perfectly salted without being too much or too little. I enjoy these crackers in so many ways. I eat them straight out of the box, or I love to add them to a charcuterie board, but they're also great for dipping in my homemade hummus. I have found these crackers to be such a treat to enjoy, and I also love having them available for my gluten-sensitive friends. And that's my point of view.